Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this Acura Mdx, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter in this car. So let's start. It's actually a very simple procedure. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Move the latch to the right, raise the hood up, and it should hold. Okay, so right here we have our air filter housing, this thing right here. So how do we remove this? It's being held by 3 clips. So we have one, remove it, just move it aside. This. 1, 2, and there's one more here. 3. Alright. After we done that, we can just wiggle, just raise up here a little bit. We don't need a lot of space, we just need to raise it up this much so we can just get the filter out. As you can see, our filter is right here, and we can just take the filter and take it out. Very simple. The car has only 6,000 miles, that's why the filter looks brand new. Okay, so when your filter is due to change, just go online, type in whatever car you have, for example 2019 Acura Mdx, and buy the replacement part. It's gonna cost cheaper than dealer, and it's gonna be the same thing. I usually buy them on eBay or Amazon. So once you have the replacement one, just the same exact reverse procedure. Raise it up, make sure you have the right side because they are different. Okay, so it should slide in very nice. Now to put it back in, you have to slide in this end first. As you can see, there are notches here. Hope you guys can see it with limited light. So those 2 notches go in, and then we will continue with this side. So you have to wiggle it in both sides. It gets sometimes tricky, but it's doable. Once you're good, just close it, make sure there are no gaps, and close pins, and you're all set. So as you can see, it's very simple procedure. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.